Okay, so next topic. Now, when you're on a true spiritual path, there's a part of you which seeks. It's looking for answers, and it's looking to all these different videos, these different books, these different systems, and it's trying to fill the gaps. Something in your spirit says, I have to understand this, I have to know this, and it's seeking an answer, and it creates an internal pull from the spirit. Now, how do you optimize that for it to lead you in the right direction? First, you have to recognize the source of the craving to learn. That source of inside you that wants the answers and is making you look at all these videos, like this video, to get an answer to a question. There's a thing within the spirit that seeks evolution. And when people's mental matrix are thinned out a little bit, the connection to their mind and their ego, the mind makes this pull increase. When they're more grounded in their physical goals and physical life, it decreases. So the mechanism, what allows this spirit sense of wanting to learn, is found in the mental matrix, and it's found in the mental body trying to communicate itself to our ego and physical bodies to say, hey, let's evolve spiritually. Now, when you slow everything down, just look at where the sensation or pull is coming from, then you're in a place of power where you can pay attention to the craving itself, release the external view and astral attachment to any sense of self about it, and then release space and let that spiritual mind guide you in what information you look at and what direction you go in. Okay, so developing this intuitive mind, identify the sensation, release time, release space on it, and pay attention to the sensation until it takes you into the place that you want to be. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.